What can we do to protect our forests? Here at PEFC, we believe the solution is to manage forests responsibly so we can all enjoy the many environmental, social, and economic benefits they provide. Vital to this is certification, which promotes sustainability. PEFC is the world's leading forest certification system. Upholding the very highest standards, it is a global alliance of people who care passionately about our forests. We set standards for sustainable forest management. By doing so, we help safeguard biodiversity and support forest owners and communities. This enables companies to source responsibly and allows consumers to buy certified products that they know will come from well-managed forests that will be around for generations to come. PEFC certified products are easily identifiable through the PEFC label. If there is one thing you can do to help, it is to buy certified products. PEFC. Caring for our forests globally.